Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, not really sure how to begin. I just figured I'd hit the record button and start and show you guys how I'm using Manus AI, Claude, ChatGPT, and everything to scale my business and to start a successful YouTube channel, which is going to be one of the ones that you're watching right now. So the whole point of my project is I got access to Manus, which I guess not a lot of people did, but I was able to, so I decided to make a faceless YouTube channel and see how fast we can take it from 0 to 6 figures. So what I'm going to do is walk you through kind of start to finish how I would go about doing this, and I think you're going to find a lot of valuable information in this. I'll show you the tools I'm using: Go High Level, Search Atlas, Canva, Gram, probably a bunch of others, whatever comes up along the way. And, I hope this helps you grow your business. I hope that this helps you learn these tools. You want to get as good as you can at using these tools as fast as you can, because the landscape is changing quickly and there's new tools coming out every day. And I'm blown away by how efficient that these tools can make you. So I just want to kind of show you how I would do this. So let me share my screen here. So as you can see, I went in, I told Manus what the project was. It got right to work, confirming a couple things with me. We went over some details. I told it it's basically in full control. I said, think you're missing the point. You're in full control of this project. My only goal is to perform the tasks that you cannot complete, upload the videos, etc. Basically, I wanted him to make the decisions, him, it, whatever, guide me through the process, and then I would handle the creation and obviously all the stuff that he can't do, right? So he got right to work and created me a full YouTube channel, research notes, gave me a complete strategy, branding guide. I mean, everything. This thing was pretty impressive, And what's really impressive about this is I want to show you a replay of this to show you can look at the steps that it took to make this happen, right? So it's going to go pretty quick, but you can see in the computer here what it's doing in the background. Profitable niches, it's finding out what the most optimal strategy is. I mean, you name it, right? I had to pull up a YouTube channel that I created about a year ago. I asked it if it was worth using this for this project. It suggested that no, we just start a brand new one. So basically it went through its thing, put together a whole plan, and then I basically just went through step by step. So the branding guide here, I went into YouTube, and I'll just kind of show you how to do this and how I would approach this. So it gives us, colors, styles, personality fonts, logos, banners, thumbnails, everything optimal, right? So first thing I did is we needed to create a logo, right? So coming back to YouTube, we needed to create a logo. So I went to, this is Ideogram. This is a fantastic tool, and I'll walk you through my workflow here. So same thing here. I told Manus, I said, hey, this is up to you. I'm going to set this up with my affiliate links. I had it give me a prompt. So this is how you can use multiple AIs together. So I had Manus create a prompt for Ideogram to design the logo. So I'll show you. We came up with the business. This is me coming up with the name together. Okay. So anyway, I went into my Ideogram. I gave it the prompt, which is right here. It told me everything. All I did was plug this in, messed around with it a couple times. I took two of the options and I went back to Manus and I said, okay, Manus, pick one of these. It suggested that I pick the second one, gave me a reason why. So I went ahead, I optimized that. And one thing I did, so you see it has this gray background. You could remove it through, remove it through Ideogram, or you can go into Canva. Oh, let's open a different page. So you go into Canva, and this is the pro plan that I have. You click background remover, it can just remove the background, okay? Then you can name it. You can call this AI Business Mastery Logo. You can download it as a PNG or JPG. For this case, PNG is best. Same thing. You can do transparent background, whatever you want to do, right? So once you have the logo, just go back to YouTube, uploaded the logo in. Then the same thing. We did the banner, got a prompt, went to Ideogram, right? Messed around. Took me a minute to try some different ones. Came up with one that I like. This one right here was the one I went with, but there was a couple typos in the text and whatnot. So same thing. I went back to Canva. Okay, went back to Canva, and I just show you how I do this. I don't think I saved it, so I'll show you how to do it real quick. This will be perfect. So we're gonna go to new design, okay? This one we're gonna do 16 by 9 would be the best size for the YouTube banner, right? In this case, we chose this one, put it into Canva, make the size match up. And then what's cool about Canva is we can hit edit, and we can grab all this text right here with the grab text, and we can go ahead and just edit this and make it say whatever we want. In this case, the only thing I did, let's say we wanted to grab all the text, we just click it, make sure it's purple, grab it all. Okay, here we're gonna fix that typo, right? That looks good. This weird icon here, what I did is I went into elements, pick this little money bag, right? You can just cover that, however you want to do it, make it look good, right? For example, you could duplicate this, put this one up here. You get the idea. You can move this around now. Same thing. Now, if you want to move like little icons or elements, you want to click edit, and then do the magic grab, and you can grab this and then move it around. So we just have to click it, click grab. We can move this over here, make sure everything's centered, looks good, right? That's a quick example of how I did it. Once I was done, same thing, name it, download it, go back to YouTube, and then we put it into the banner. Now, one thing I want to mention here, I don't want to change it, but make sure that it's optimized for all views. Take a look at it on your phone, look at it at your desktop, make sure that the text is in the safe space. Like, you don't want your text way up here in the corner where it's like cut off. Make sure it's nice and centered. So you go in, you put in all your stuff. For whatever reason, my description didn't update, but it should have, because I've already saved this. Yeah, so I did the description, I put my website in, optimized everything. It's good to go. So now we're ready to start creating some content. So going back to Manus, right? He did a whole storyboard and everything. So channel branding guide, channel strategy. After he put together everything, we go down, we designed everything, okay? All right, so after we designed everything, the layout, the brand strategy, the content plan, we created the first video. So gave me the intro, the hook, how to use it. I didn't have any content, so I told it to give me content. I'm just gonna kind of scroll through here. Yeah, it gave me a visual storyboard, gave me an intro, the lower thirds, data visualization, voiceover. It gave me everything, the stock footage to use, how to do the entire video, right? Thumbnail designs, transition effects. You can even click this, and it gave me, this is the really fascinating part, is it gave me stock video sources. So these are stock videos to all kinds of free use videos to use to create this video. So after I did this, it was basically just getting to work and start putting the pieces all together. So just to show you what I've come up with so far as a rough draft, you'll get to see the final version. I don't have it up right now. Well, I'll show you in another video. Sorry, but you're gonna have to wait, So I figured I'd just do the intro video, show you how I set everything up. I'm going to link my affiliate link to Ideogram if you guys want to check that out. It's pretty awesome for images, especially if you post a lot, and you need to create a lot of images. It's pretty good when you use that in conjunction with Canva. I'll also leave the link for Canva down below, and Manus. If I have an affiliate link at this time, right now I don't. But if I happen to get one, I'll come back and I'll update the video with that link down below so you can sign up there. And stay tuned. We'll go through some more stuff. I'm going to release a couple of these videos every week and see how fast we can scale this YouTube channel from 0 to 6 figures using nothing but Manus and some other AI tools. So stay tuned.